It's the GQ summer box. So if you want to see what's inside here and hear my thoughts, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but summer's coming. They'll be here with me more often, just because during the school year it's so hard for Chloe to do any filming with homework and everything. And typically I do at my mom's house. She stays here all summer long with my mom, and I'm back and forth between my house and here. So we do most of our filming here though, just because my house is chaos with 3 dogs and 3 cats. But in the summertime, we do some at home because we can go outside too. All right. Anyway, this is the GQ box. So I just got the spring box. I didn't realize it was the spring box, and I got it for $29 or $39. It was some great price. And I hadn't even thought to go ahead and cancel it yet because I didn't know that the summer one was going to be like already out like a week or so later. Like it's literally been maybe a week or two. So didn't have a chance to. But here is the little flyer about the summer box, and let's get into what's in here. Last time there were things in the box that weren't even listed, so I'm interested to see what's in here. All right, there is your sneak peek. It does have lots of stuff, so I really liked the last box. I think I might continue getting this for a little bit because some of the stuff I'm going to get my husband, and some of the stuff my nephew, and some of the stuff my brother-in-law. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So there is a coupon for Citizens Elite High Performance Underwear for $12. Regularly $24, so that's more of a coupon. And there is a free pair of, no, what is this? This is Fight Camp punch trackers. All right. 45-day free trial punch trackers and quick wraps. It's $158 value. I probably won't activate that because, yeah, I don't see that as something that any of them might want, and then I might forget, and I'm not paying $158 for that. That's not going to happen. Okay, so the last one, there was like a coupon for a t-shirt that I ordered totally free, shipping free, and a pop socket that you could personalize, also totally free, no shipping, anything. In this box though, we have some Water Drop brand grapefruit flavor water drops. And how many are in here? Does it say 12 servings? That's a $14 value. Some of these flavors I really like, some not so much, but I'm going to keep these for myself because I might like these. By Bevel, we have a clear shave gel. And this is a $4 value. Okay, that's not the best value right there. Oh no, sorry, $10 value. Okay, still, where's the high value stuff? Because this box is not cheap. It has aloe vera and cucumber extract in it. Next, we have from the Serena Williams brand Will, is you could have gotten one of 2 items. This is the pain relief spray. It has lidocaine in it, or you could have gotten the cooling pain relief roll-on. And these are both $13 values. Next, by Diff. This is a charitable eyewear company. I believe for every pair of glasses they sell, they give a person in need glasses. So while these are sunglasses, they actually will do prescription glasses. So that's a really nice thing. This is their Billy is the style, and these are polarized, and they're $114 value. So this is like your money right here, and they're that old Wayfarer style, it looks like. Next by Tactica is the M100 bundle pack. So this is a multi-tool. And this is a $54.95 value. It's all you need for emergencies. It's got tool bits and I don't know, all kinds of stuff. Let's take a look at it. Look at how fancy that is. All right. There's a toggle socket. It's made from engineering grade compost. It has it says feature backed pocket tool, whatever that means, and on the go repairs. Okay. Lifetime warranty. That's really nice. That's a nice giftable item. And then the last thing in here is a Travel Tech organizer. And this is a $40 value. There's a picture of it right here. Let's see, where is it? Right there. And that's also a nice giftable item. Like, I think my brother-in-law would probably use this because he's like a real tech guy. My husband, he just has wires everywhere. He doesn't even care. But I think my brother-in-law would really like this. And I think my nephew would really like this. And this my husband would probably really like. So that will probably go to my husband. This my husband will probably also really enjoy because we're getting old. You know, we got aches and pains. And this, well, my husband would enjoy it. This will probably go to my brother-in-law or my nephew, one of the two. I will say I think their spring box was a little better. I'm just going to put that out there. I do feel like the spring box was just a little bit better. But it's not a bad box at all. I will probably get a fall one, and then we'll see. If I get it through winter, I'll at least have enough gifts for the holidays. So I might get it just through the winter, and then I may cancel after that. But I think, you know, it is nice for that person in your life who, you know, you may have a hard time buying for. So these are some really kind of fun gifts. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.